EES, which is pronounced ease, is an acronym for Engineering Equation Solver. In the last video we talked about arrays in ease and how to enter those arrays from the equations window, which is what I'm doing here to create the 2D array A and the 1D array B. The array editor in ease provides an easier way to enter or modify ease arrays than by entering them one element at a time in the equations window. So to access the array editor, select Array Editor from the Edit menu, and then you'll see this drop-down menu at the top of the editor, which you can use to select from among any of the arrays that have been defined in the equations window, provided that they include the correct indicators. And the correct indicators are a comment array name that precedes the array definition, and then a comment array name end that comes after it, and the name here then refers to the name of the array. So the arrays that I've defined in the equations window, A and B, don't have these indicators, and therefore they aren't recognized by the array editor. But if I add these indicators and then go back to the array editor, you can see that now I can select A or B from the drop-down menu and access those arrays. Alternatively, a new array variable can be created here by selecting the Enter Array Name from the drop-down menu. So here I'm going to create an array C. It's going to have 4 rows and 1 column. And when I select OK, you can see that the array definition for C appears in the equations window. Modifications to existing arrays that are recognized by the array editor will show up in the equations window. So for example, here I can change an element in the array C in the array editor, and you can see that the equations window is updated accordingly. The array editor makes it easy to import data from other applications such as Excel or MATLAB. So for example, here's an Excel file, and I have a 5x5 array of data that's contained in Excel. If I want to put that into ease in the form of an array, select Array Editor from the Edit menu. I'm going to name the array D and choose the right number of rows and columns. And then I'm just going to copy the data from Excel and select the Paste button here to place the data into the array editor. And now when I select OK, you can see that the array D has been created in the equations window, and I can modify it or operate on it however I want. When I run the ease program, you're going to see that the array D is listed here in the arrays table. So this is one of a series of tutorials that's meant to describe the operation of the ease software. If you'd like to get more information about ease, or obtain the software, or access more of these tutorials, please go to the website fchart.com. These tutorials are excerpted from the book Mastering Ease, which can also be obtained from the FChart website.